Citizens Coalition for Change former leader Nelson Chamisa has launched a scathing attack on the government over the country's water crisis. Chamisa said that the proliferation of boa bush farms in urban areas is clear proof of leadership failure. According to Nelson Chamisa, the fact that Zimbabweans are still carrying buckets of water in towns and cities 45 years after independence is a stark reminder of the government's failure to provide basic services. Quoted, "Every water tank you see in our towns is not a sign of progress," Chamisa said. "They are symbols of leadership inaptitude. They are tanks of leadership failure." Chamisa attributed the government's inaction to proliferating from chaos, leaving citizens to suffer from waterborne diseases like cholera and other maladies such as Tsikizi. He pointed out that rural communities are forced to drink from open wells and rivers decades after the promise of independence. Despite the bleak picture, Chamisa painted a vision of a new Zimbabwe where every home has access to safe, clean water and cities are supplied by modern dams. He emphasized that with new leadership, it is possible to restore dignity to the people and provide basic services. "Just imagine a new Great Zimbabwe," Chamisa said, highlighting the potential for precision agriculture, smart irrigation, and a green modern economy. Chamisa remarks underscores the need for urgent action to address the water crisis and restore basic services to citizens. The former CCC leader's call for change is likely to resonate with many Zimbabweans who are struggling to access clean water and other essential services.